Namaskara. This is another video on the power of postpositions. In this video, I'm addressing the illa postposition. As usual, the verb list that I'll be using, the 15 well-known verbs. By now, you should already know the verbs. So I'll be making 15 sentences with the illa postposition. I have not done my homework. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Madu becomes madilla. Have not done. This is present perfect tense. Madu madilla. I have not seen him for a while. ನಾನು ಅವನನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. I have not told my parents about you. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ means about. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ means about you. So it's your. So ninna is the Shashti Vibhakti. So whenever you talk about, whenever you use bagge, the word, you usually talk about a noun or a pronoun. I mean, you'll put a noun or a pronoun before bagge. Bagge means about, right? So the noun or the pronoun has to be in Shashti Vibhakti, meaning possessive vibhakti. Okay, so ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, about me, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, right? ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, about it. Okay, so it should always be in Shashti Vibhakti. Okay, so ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ means parents. ತಂದೆ is father, ತಾಯಿ is mother. Then I have not heard his discourse. ಅವರ ಭಾಷಣೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಳು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. I have not informed about my leave to my manager. ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿರ್ವಾಹಕರು. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಿರ್ವಾಹಕರು. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ನಿರ್ವಾಹಕರು ಹತ್ತಿರ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ರಜೆ is some Persian word. So preferably bidupu is a pure Kannada word, right? Raja is more of a Persian or Urdu word. Okay, so ನನ್ನ ನಿರ್ವಾಹಕರು ಹತ್ತಿರ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಬಿಡುಪು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, then ತಿಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. I have not yet shown you my new house. ನನ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೂ means not yet. The yet is ಇನ್ನೂ. Okay, ಇನ್ನೂ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. Usually whenever you use this this illa postposition, innu will actually make more sense. Not yet. I have not yet shown you. Okay, ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. I have not sent this parcel to your old address. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆಯ ವಿಳಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಪಾರ್ಸೆಲ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, I have not stayed in this resort before. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇರು becomes ಇದ್ದ. Okay, ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ means ಮುಂಚೆ is before, in time, not space. Okay, so in space, if you want to talk about before, it is ಹಿಂದೆ. Okay, in time, if you want to talk about before, it is ಮುಂಚೆ. Now in space, if you want to talk about forward, it is ಮುಂದೆ. In time, if you want to talk about forward, it is ನಂತರ or ಆಮೇಲೆ. Okay, but munde can also be used, but preferably nantara and amele has to be used. I repeat, so we have time and space, right? So if you want to talk about time that is before, then you have to use munche. Space that is before, you have to use hindi. Okay, now if you want to talk about a forward time, a time in the future, you have to say amele or nantara. But you can also use munde. Now, munde is used for a space in front. Okay, so this is the thing. So, idakke munche means idakke. This akke suffix basically is like off. So, idakke munche, before this, right? Before this event, before this occurrence, ಈ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇರು becomes ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. I have not been. Right? I have not stayed. I have not become a doctor yet. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ವೈದ್ಯರು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. I have not gone to ಹಳೇಬೀಡು. Right? ನಾನು ಹಳೇಬೀಡು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, newspaper has not come. Newspaper ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರು becomes ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. Newspaper ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. He has not brought the items. ಅವನು ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ತರು becomes ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ. He has not taken your car. ಅವನು ನಿನ್ನ ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. I have not found my pen. ನನ್ನ ಪೆನ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಗು becomes ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Police has not caught the thief. Police ಕಳ್ಳನನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, the will come in between. Okay, let's look at the rule. So when you this illa suffix basically gives the effect of have not, has not modal. It's actually putting present perfect tense negation. Okay, present perfect tense have not done. So you can use innu in front of this madilla, nodilla to give the effect of not yet. I have not yet done. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. I have not done my homework yet. It means there is still some hope that I will eventually do my homework. Right? So what is the rule? All u ending verbs remove u and add e and illa. ಮಾಡು, ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Right? So this ಮಾಡಿ, right? You can treat it like as if you are doing a past tense. Non-u ending verb, you just have to add the and illa. For example, hididilla. Okay. Now, because there is past tense involved, there will always be irregular verbs. That's why you have iru becomes iddilla, sigu becomes sikkilla, baru become bandilla. Okay. So irregular verbs will have an effect. So you need to know those irregular verbs. Now, interrogative form of illa will be ilva, right? Haven't you? So newspaper innu bandilva. Haven't it not come yet? Bandilva, ilva, you have to say. Okay. So have you not boarded the bus? Neenu bassu hididilva. To see you boarding a bus is like catching a bus, right? So hidi is to catch. Neenu bassu hididilva. Have you not caught the bus yet? Okay. So this is the usage of illa. I hope it is clear. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.